Hi family, we're going to make homemade chicken noodle soup today. But I'm not going to make homemade noodles today because I have noodles. I have egg noodles in the cabinet, so we're going to use those up. Come join me. We're going to start. Yesterday I boiled chicken, so I'm going to add the broth here. And I'm going to take I could have taken off the fat, but we want that flavor. I had put this in the fridge, so I'm also going to add a teaspoon of chicken base to it. Extra flavor. And I only have one onion left. And you know what? I just came back from the store and forgot to get onions. So I don't want to use that onion up. So I'm going to add some onion powder. And do I have any? I don't think I have any minced onions. I'm check my cabinet here. Oh, there, I found it. Minced onions, that's it. We're going to add some minced onion to it. And some garlic powder. This is going to be so easy, so simple and easy. It's got to be an easy thing today for me. I got lots to do. Pepper, no salt. I bought shredded carrots. I'm going to add shredded carrots to it. This is the easy way to make it. When you don't have much time and you have you can also use the, boxed or canned chicken broth, which I might have to add some, I don't know. So I want these carrots to boil up a little bit here. Okay, here's the chicken that I made. My wash machine is throwing a tantrum, I think. It's settled down. Okay. It's called multitasking. Cooking and washing clothes. I gotta do the fish tanks too today. And I was really bummed out this week because I lost 6 of the tiny little fishies. They just didn't make it. But I've got the 2 big ones and 2 small ones that so far have done really well. I prayed over them yesterday. All right, we're going to let this come to a boil and then we will be back. Okay, she's a boiling. So now we're going to add the noodles. I'm just adding the Amish egg noodles. We're going to let these cook. think that's going to be enough. So we're going to let those cook and we'll be back. Okay, noodles are still cooking. It's looking really good. While that's cooking, we're going to move over here because I'm going to make some biscuits. Okay, I don't know if I had my phone on or not, but I just made biscuits. I made cream biscuits. I just mixed 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of heavy whipping cream. That's all I did. Mixed it together, folded it like 7 times on a floured board, and then I rolled it out and cut it. And they're in the oven. So now I'm going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. This gives it a really good gravy kind of a deal. And we're just going to let that warm up, and otherwise this is done. Look at that. We're just going to let that warm up, and then we can, after the biscuits are done, then we can have some. I'm going to turn it down though. Look, they look good. Put some butter on them. Turn the oven off. I probably left them in a couple minutes too long, but we're okay with that. Okay. Let's try this. You know what? I'm going to add some more chicken broth. I'm just going to add a little bit of bone broth, chicken bone broth to this. Yum. So that the heat come up on that a little bit here. Let's cut into one of these biscuits and see what it looks like. Looks good. I'm going to put some butter on it and see what it. Okay. This looks good. Let's have some. I'm not going to eat all this, but I got to fill it up for the picture, you know. Let's have some. There you go. Soup and biscuits. First bite. It's hard to get on the spoon here. The noodles want to fall off. There you go. Let's try it. Really good. Mm. Mm. Should we try the biscuit? Mm. They're very good. Very good. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.